Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving problem 3612 process strings with special operations part 1. The problem statement is that we are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters and few special characters, that is asterisk, hash and percent sign. We need to build a new string result by processing string S according to the following rules from left to right. If we encounter a letter which is a lowercase English letter, then we append it to the result as S. If the character is an asterisk, then we remove the last character from the string. If the character is a hash, then we duplicate the entire result. And the last rule is for character being a percent sign, where we need to reverse the entire string. After applying all of these operations, we need to return the result as the output. These rules are very straightforward and easy to understand. So let's switch to whiteboard and discuss how we can solve this problem. As you must have guessed, the simple approach to solve this problem is to iterate through the entire string, look at the character and accordingly apply the operation. Instead of discussing the rules again, let's do a quick dry run on this example to get a better idea. Starting with my pointer pointing at the first character, A. As it is a lowercase English letter, we need to append it directly to our results variable. Now the next character is a hash. We need to duplicate the entire string. As we only have one character in the result, that is A, after duplicating or appending it again, the output should be A and A. Incrementing my pointer, the next character is B. As it is an English letter, I don't have to apply any operation except for adding it to my output. After that, the next operation is a percentage sign, which means I need to reverse the entire string. So instead of having AAB, the updated string will be PAA. And the last character is a percentage sign, which means I need to remove the last character from the string that was added. So in this case, this A will be removed. So the updated string will be B and A. And as we have iterated through all of the characters in the input string and applied the respective operations, the output will be BA. The time complexity of this solution is going to be O of n square from the worst case scenario. This is because we are applying these two operations. One is to duplicate the entire string and the other is to reverse the entire string. Every time we are applying either of the two operations, we are actually working with all of the characters in the result string. Considering the worst case scenario where there could be multiple reverse operations or duplicate operations, the time complexity could go as high as O of n square. And the space complexity will be O of n, where n is again the number of characters in the input string. This is because we are building this result variable on the fly as we are applying the operation. I hope you are able to understand this explanation. Let me show you how we can implement this using C#. In this C# implementation, I start by initializing a variable result which is a string builder, and it will be used to store the output. After that, I am running a for loop to iterate through all of the characters in the string S and accordingly apply the operation. Inside this for loop, the first check is to verify if the input string is actually a valid lowercase English letter. If yes, then I am appending the character to the results variable. If it is a special character, then I'm verifying it individually starting with the hash sign. If it is yes, then I'm duplicating the result by appending it to itself. If the character is a percent sign, which means I need to reverse the entire string, so I'm calling the reverse string builder method, passing the result as the input. And the last condition will be to cover the case where the input character is a asterisk. And in that case, we need to remove the last character from the string. Once the for loop is complete, I'm converting the string builder into string and returning it. This helper method reverse string builder uses two pointers to iterate from the left and the right of the string builder, exchange the characters, and this will continue until the left pointer is less than the right pointer. This code when submitted on LeetCode beats nearly 72% of the submissions in terms of runtime and 34% in terms of memory. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are able to understand the explanation. The details to access the source code is available in the description below. Feel free to check that out and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.